Ever been in an argument where you just freeze? You walk away replaying it in your head, thinking what you should have said. Yeah, me too. But here's the twist. You don't have to be right to win. You just need to be strategic. First thing, stay calm. If they get loud and you get louder, you both lose. Speak soft, speak slow. Calm equals control. Even if you're bluffing, they'll feel like you're winning. Second, ask questions. Instead of arguing back, say, why do you think that? What makes you say that? Now they're the one on the spot. You shift from defense to leading the whole thing. Third move, mirror their words. They say, you don't care. You go, so you feel like I'm not showing it? Now they feel understood, and people don't attack what understands them. Next, agree, then redirect. You're right, that part was messy. But here's the full picture. When you admit something, it makes them drop their guard. Then you slide in your actual point. Smooth. Final boss move, use silence. Say your line, then stop. Don't fill the gap. Let them feel the weight of your words. Most people talk themselves into a corner. Quick recap. Stay calm, ask questions, mirror their words, agree, then redirect. Use silence. The truth? Winning isn't about crushing them. It's about guiding them. And if you do this right, even if you're technically wrong, you still walk away with the W. But here's the catch. You'll never win arguments long-term if people don't respect you in the first place, and that's the real problem. Lucky for you, the next video shows exactly why people stop respecting you and how to fix it. Trust me, you need to watch that next.